home with style and personality and a great floor plan, with a welcoming front porch. At the front entry area, view the soaring ceiling and beautiful living room windows. The dining area opens to kitchen and living room, fun for entertaining. Kitchen with granite countertops, built-in microwave above range and a good-sized pantry. Large utility room with storage. Garage includes a wonderful in-ground storm shelter. Large master bedroom with tray ceiling and large closet. Master bath has 2 sinks with separate shower and jetted tub. Ceiling fans throughout home. Large covered patio off of living area. Backyard with storage building and privacy fence. New improvements include alarm system, vinyl wood style flooring, enlarged patio and garage storm shelter. Occupied must have 24-hour notice to remove animals. Call office for appointments 8-5. During evenings and weekends, call Tana or Rosetta for any appointments.